How to delete Twitter account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me VPN Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. Well, first things first, what you'll have to do is you'll have to open up Twitter and make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Once you do so, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this, and on the left hand side at the bottom you can see settings and support option. Tap on it and you'll get two different options: settings and privacy and help center. Simply tap on settings and privacy and then tap on your account, and at the bottom you can see the last option, deactivate account. Simply tap on it. Now you might be wondering that you want to delete your account permanently and not deactivate it. Well, here is the trick. If you deactivate, once you deactivate your account, you'll have to wait up to 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be deleted automatically and you'll never get access to it. You'll have to wait until 30 days, and for 30 days, you can't log into your account. If you log into your account, your deactivation process will be cancelled and you'll get logged into your account. So you can't log into your account once you deactivate your account for 30 days, and after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete your Twitter account permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.